Hi, I just wanted to do another video on my Canaries. Well, it's breeding season now. She's got 2 eggs. I got a goldfinch mule pair up there. And they're sort of making a nest down here though. She's got a chick. Nice little chick. Got her egg food there. In here, sorry. Up there I've got an odd cock. No. Ah. And in here I've just got a pair of British. You couldn't get to see in there, but got very spooky. You might have just saw the hen. So yeah, what's up there? I've got a goldfinch mule. But apart from that, we're all doing good. Well, you might see her feeding. Oh no, it's just hot back on. Alright then, well yeah, like I say, in there I've got a pair of goldfinches, British. And at the very back there, I've got a pair of goldfinches, 2 pairs, a pair in there. Well, if you could subscribe and like, please, that'd be very good. Thanks and goodbye.